Hello everyone and welcome to Stockgasm, your daily dose of stock market. So let us begin with our today's video. In this video, we are going to explain everything about the LIC IPO. Now, LIC IPO is the biggest ever IPO in the history of Indian stock market. Okay. Along with that, we will also discuss the IPO date, the important dates for this IPO, LIC, and we are also going to have a look at what is the grey market premium. Okay, that is the GMP. We will also discuss should you apply for this IPO or not. Along with that, this is the best opportunity for LIC policy holders. Okay. Now let us look at what is LIC. So LIC is the largest life insurance company in India. It has more than 64% market share in terms of the premium. Along with that, the most important thing is LIC is the largest asset manager in India with a AUM of around 39.5 lakh crore. Okay. Along with that, it has 4,983 active offices across India. Now let us discuss the products that LIC offers. So the first product is insurance plan. Then we have pension plans and unit linked plans, that is ULIP. We also have micro insurance plans and withdrawn plans and health plans. Okay. Now let us have a look at the company financials. Okay. So the total assets has been always increasing for the year 2019 to 2021. Okay. Along with that, the profit after tax is also ever increasing, and this is due to COVID and some market conditions. But the profit after tax is always increasing. Okay. Along with that, let us have a look at LIC IPO timeline and the tentative dates. Remember, guys, these are the tentative dates. They are subject to change if there is any correction or change from the LIC management team. Now the opening date for this IPO is today, that is May 4th, 2022, and the closing date would be 9th of May 2022. Now the basis of allotment will be declared on May 12th, that is 2022. Along with that, the initiation of refunds will be starting from 13th of May. Now the credit of shares to your demat account will start from May 16th, and the listing date of this IPO is May 17, 2022. Okay, guys. Now let us have a look at the IPO details. So starting with the IPO price band, and the price band set for this IPO is 910 rupees to 949 per share. Okay, the lot would be of 15 shares each. Along with that, the issue size would be up to aggregating up to 21,000 crore. Okay, with the along with that, a policyholder discount. So if you are already an existing policyholder of LIC policy, then you will be getting 60 rupees per share discount, and you should have your PAN card linked with your LIC policy. Okay, so this is mandatory. Along with that, if you are a LIC employee, then you will be getting a 45 rupees flat discount on the LIC price. Okay, IPO price. Along with that, QIB shares offered are not more than 50% of the net offer, and the retail shares offered are not less than 35% of the net offer. Along with that, the NII shares offered are not less than 15% of the net offer. And the main promoters of the company are the President of India, acting through the Ministry of Finance. Government of India is the company promoter. Okay. Now, this is the very important part, guys. So, should you apply for long term or not? This can be a question that you may be having. And why should you apply for this LIC IPO? Along with that, what is the current GMP credit market premium? And should you apply for the listing gains? Okay, so we will answer all these questions. Now, first things first, that increasing assets. So, LIC has increasing assets and it is consistently growing. Okay, along with that, increasing investment returns. All the investment returns are consistently increasing. Along with that, also increasing service diversification, so they are diversifying their business, and increasing policy holders, so many people are getting enrolled, and this is a very trusted brand given by the government. Okay, so people have a strong belief in this LIC, and from our side, this is a big yes for long term investment. Okay. Now answering the next question, that is according to the market current trends, so the GMP would be something around 60 to 70 rupees, and it is expected to grow as we come close to the listing day. Okay, along with that, we can expect returns in the range of 0 to 15%. It totally depends on the market condition, and if there is a volatility in the market, it can go between this 0 to 15%. This is expected. Along with that, if we discuss about what could be expectation for an individual, if you apply for this IPO and you get the IPO, then what would be the amount that you would be getting extra per lot? So per lot, something around 2,200 rupees is expected as gains. Okay. Now the next point is, these all the figures that we have shown are rough estimates, and that is not something which we can control. Okay, so it totally depends on the market conditions. Along with that, listing gains may be less, or even more, okay, than what we have said in this video, and we would suggest you to hold the stock for better gains. Okay, guys. So this is everything from our side. Hope you liked the video. Please share this video with your friends and your family members, and keep growing and keep investing.